Hello, right, welcome to the channel. Quick 2-minute tour review. Just bought these new Milwaukee tinsnips. Never used them before. I've always used the Irwin and Fat Max ones. Absolutely love these. Got a couple of pairs, but I've seen these loads of times. They're a little bit more expensive. I paid 20 quid for them. I'm gonna give them a go. They look really nice, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on them. So I always go for the offset when choosing a set of snips. I just find you get into a lot more areas, deeper into the panel, can trim a lot more, so that's why I go for them. Nice little lock there on the snips, much better than the Irwin Fat Max ones, which sometimes moves as you're snipping away, so that can be a bit of a pain. So much nicer design there. I'm now just going to give a bit of material a cut and see what sort of marks it leaves in the material. So that was a bit of 1.5 alley, very easy, hardly any burr on there at all actually, that is really nice. Yeah, very few serrated marks, don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's what I don't like about these blades, they do leave a few marks in, but this isn't actually too bad. I do have a tendency to smooth that off so I get as little marks in my panel as possible, but that's just me personally. And now the 1mm steel. Again, no burr on there at all. So again, very impressive, look. Okay, so that's just a quick review. I have been using these as well at work and putting them through their paces, and I've got to say I'm very impressed with them. Much better, and it's a bold statement, than the Irwin and Fat Max that I'm used to. So very impressed for 20 quid, only a couple of quid more than what these retail at. They arrived within a few days. Very impressed. I shall probably go and buy a second pair, they're that good. And that's quite a bold statement. So yeah, just like the little features on them, the fact that they don't leave a burr where these always leave a few marks in your panel, and for the home restorer, professional restorer, fabricator, I've got to say, I'd never really considered these, but I've got to say I highly recommend them. So give them a go, and hopefully you like them, and I'll see you in the next tour review. Ciao.